Welcome to this lesson on setting up and managing online payment accounts. For any online business, a reliable payment account is essential for receiving and managing transactions. Without a properly configured payment system, it becomes difficult to handle customer payments efficiently. That is why entrepreneurs must understand how to create, verify, and manage their payment accounts correctly. In this lesson, we will walk through the step-by-step process of creating and verifying payment accounts. We will also explore how to link bank accounts and track transactions for smooth financial operations. Let us begin with the process of creating a payment account. Most online businesses use trusted payment platforms such as PayPal, Payoneer, or Stripe. The first step usually involves visiting the platform's official website and selecting the option to create a new account. Users must provide basic information such as their name, email address, and contact details. After submitting this information, the platform typically sends a verification email. This email confirmation helps ensure that the account belongs to the correct user. The next step is identity verification. Most payment platforms require identity verification to maintain security and comply with financial regulations. Users may be asked to upload identification documents such as a national ID card, passport, or driver's license. Some platforms may also request proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once the documents are submitted, the platform reviews them to confirm the user's identity. After verification is completed, the account becomes fully functional for sending and receiving payments. Now let us explore the process of linking bank accounts. Linking a bank account allows users to withdraw funds from their payment platforms directly to their local bank. This process usually involves entering bank details such as the account number and bank name. Some platforms may send a small test deposit to confirm that the bank account information is correct. After confirming this deposit, the bank account becomes successfully linked. Once the bank account is connected, businesses can transfer their earnings easily from the payment platform to their bank. Managing transactions is another important part of operating online payment accounts. Payment platforms usually provide dashboards that display transaction histories. These dashboards allow users to view incoming payments, outgoing transfers, and account balances. Tracking transactions helps businesses maintain accurate financial records. It also helps identify any unusual activity or payment errors. Many platforms also provide downloadable reports that can be used for accounting and financial analysis. Using these reports regularly helps entrepreneurs monitor business performance and manage cash flow. It is also important to maintain strong account security. Using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication can protect payment accounts from unauthorized access. Regularly reviewing account activity is another good security practice. In summary, setting up and managing payment accounts is an essential step for operating an online business. The process begins with creating and verifying an account on trusted payment platforms. Entrepreneurs must then link their bank accounts to transfer funds and manage earnings. Tracking transactions and maintaining security ensures smooth and reliable financial operations. By following these steps, businesses can create a secure payment system that supports long-term online success. In the next video we will discuss about best practices for secure and efficient transactions. Stay connected with us. Thank you.